teacher for this question, and our question says that if f of x is equals to minus of 6x plus 7, then f1, f0 and f of minus 1. So if f of x is equals to minus of 6x plus 7, so first of all, f of 1 needs to be evaluated at place of x. You will be writing 1 here. So 7 minus 6 can be written as 1. Then and after f of 0. So f of 0 can be written as minus 6 into 0 plus 7. So f of 0 equals to 7. Then and after f of minus 1. So f of minus 1 can be written as 6 plus 7. So that can be written as 13. Right? Then and after and ft. So f of d is here, and that is equals to 25. So you'll be writing this as that